Do you have to deal with messy data, lots of typos, misspellings, people choosing all kinds of answers for things where you really want to be able to group them together, sort all of the ones that are the same? What you need is a drop-down box. We use data validation in Google Sheets. Works just as well in Excel. Here's how to do it. So I've got all of these statuses here. You can see some of them have got spaces in them. Some of them have got typos, all kinds of things, okay? And what we want to do is limit it. We want to give people just a very small selection for them to choose from. So what I've got in this tab here is the possible statuses that people can select from, okay? And you can see that it goes from A2 to A8 out of this text stuff sheet. In fact, I might even hide that sheet later on. It will still work. Let's go back into this one. And now what we want to do is allow people to select from that text stuff sheet. Here's how to do it. We're going to go here. So I'm going to go data. You may say data validation. And then I'm going to add a rule, and I could type in my options all here, but I'm not going to do that. Notice that as soon as I've done that, I've got a drop down here, and you can see it's got option 1 and option 2. That's guessed those two. Those aren't the options that I want. The options that I want are over here on this text stuff page, on this text stuff sheet from A2 to A8. So that's my range. So let me just jump back to my data entry here. And this time I'm going to say, instead of drop down, I want drop down from a range. And it says, oh yeah, where's your range? So I'm going to click on select the data range. Okay, and that's simply going to be over here. And you can see it's got that range from A2 to A8. Click OK. And I click done. And now let's go back to our data entry here. And here are the options. People can select in progress. The task is in progress. Oh, better widen that. I'll just double click here and that will make it wider. We can make it in progress. We can make it on hold or completed. Whatever it is. Just really to make people choose from the available options rather than free-form text. Now this makes it a lot cleaner for you, and so your final data all fits within that range. Now there are some extra options here. If we go in back to those rules, we go back and click on here, and I can go in and edit there, and I could even change those colors if I want. Okay, not started. I could say in progress is going to be a dark green and so on, and I could have completed. It might be red, like a stop sign. So you see what happens here when people select those options. Really, really easy to learn. You can do this in Google Sheets. You can do it in Excel. Very, very simple using a data drop down. Okay, using data validation in Google Sheets.